Beautifully landscaped cape located in Mechanicsville that has been meticulously maintained by one owner. Every inch of the property has been loved and cared for, from the professionally maintained yard, the 2-ton heat pump with annual maintenance contract, asphalt driveway, new sinks and faucets throughout, newer roof, +/5 years, and impressive laminate flooring throughout the downstairs, 2019. With 2 sheds, one with electricity, you'll never be lacking storage space. The back patio is a perfect place to unwind after a long day, or to enjoy your morning coffee while overlooking your gorgeous backyard. 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 located on the first level, will allow room for everyone. Located less than 5 minutes from interstates, shopping, dining and schools,